Imagine seeing a robot walk into a room with the grace and smoothness of a real person. This isn't sci fi anymore, it's Engine AI's new SC01, a humanoid robot redefining movement itself. In today's video, we're exploring two groundbreaking innovations that blur the lines between human and machine. Engine AI's SE01 robot and Clone Robotics Torso, an android built with human like muscles. Let's dive in. Engine AI's SE01 is nothing like the clunky bots you've seen before. Using an advanced neural network trained with reinforcement and imitation learning, SE01 has mastered human like walking. It takes smooth, natural strides without the robotic jerks or bent knees we usually associate with humanoids. This isn't just for show. SE01's movements, powered by dual NVIDIA and Intel processors, are both energy efficient and practical, making it suitable for diverse environments, from industrial sites to hospitals. What's beneath SE01's lifelike movement? Its frame is crafted from aerospace-grade aluminum alloy, striking a balance between strength and lightness. Engine AI designed SE01 with modular components, no heavy complex sensors or actuators, keeping costs down and durability up. The team aims to produce over 1,000 units annually by 2025, hoping to bring a C01 to workplaces, schools, and even homes. While Engine AI focuses on functional humanoids, Clone Robotics has a different vision: synthetic humans. They're developing an upper body android, or torso, that mimics the human musculoskeletal system. It features shoulders, elbows, and even a neck with flexible joints designed to move just like ours. What sets Clone Robotics apart is its unique approach: hydraulics for muscle like power and a compact valve system within the torso. This tech enables the torso to replicate human strength and flexibility far better than traditional robotic arms. Their goal? To create androids that could one day move and interact as naturally as humans. Engine AI's SE01 and Clone Robotics Torso represent two distinct paths toward a future where humanoid robots work and live alongside us. SE01 is practical, ready for industrial and educational settings. Clone Robotics, meanwhile, is pushing into Westworld territory with androids that look, move, and even behave like people. The question isn't just about technology, but about society. Are we ready for a world where robots blend seamlessly into our daily lives? From schools to hospitals to our own homes, robots like SE01 are closer than ever to becoming part of everyday life. Meanwhile, Clone Robotics is inching toward androids that could someday fool us. If you're intrigued by the future of humanoid robotics, drop a comment, like, and subscribe for more updates. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.